How to delete a repository on GitHub. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our GitHub website and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you are here, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go into the upper left corner of the screen and then click the three horizontal lines. So in this part, you will see this repositories right here. So just click on that. And then once you are now here, you will now be able to see all of your repositories in this section. So as you can see, I have two repositories. So just choose the repository that you want to delete. So let's say, for example, that we would like to delete this one. So all you have to do is to click on that. And then in this part, just go here on the settings, which is right here. And once you are now here, just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you will see this delete this repository. So all you have to do is to click this repository, and then click I want to delete this repository. After that, just make sure that you read this, and then click this one right here. And then in this part, just type this one right here. So I'm going to copy this, and then paste it in this section, and then click delete this repository. Once you do that, as you can see, our repository was successfully deleted. So if we go back into our repository section, which is right here, you will now be able to see that we only have one repository left in this part. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to delete a repository in GitHub.